Good morning, welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some cloudy skies out there currently. Seeing a little bit of mist as well as some light rain showers moving in off the water from time to time. Our winds have calmed down this morning, not seeing wind advisory currently, but expecting those winds to pick up here in the next hour or so and be back under a wind advisory. Right now, Hurricane Erin continues to move away from the area. Going to continue to see that move out to sea today. And in general, just seeing a breezy day with a chance of some light rain showers, as well as some cloudy to mostly cloudy skies across the area. Our current sounding from this morning, freezing level at 14,700 feet. Peak winds are at 3,000 feet at 40 knots out of the northeast, and winds decrease as we move in the upper levels, and becoming around northerly at about 15 to 20 knots over the area. And taking a look at the current surface analysis, we do have Hurricane Erin continue to move track off the northeast over the open waters of the Atlantic. We have a weak surface boundary across our region and an area high pressure north of our area across eastern Canada into New England that's giving us a bit of a tighter pressure gradient across the region this morning. Overall, we should see those winds pick back up this morning. All guidance is showing some breezy to windy conditions today. I do expect if we do see a few more breaks in the clouds, should see those winds start to mix down and give us some breezy to windy conditions for later this morning and the afternoon hours. Just taking a look at our current satellite imagery across the region, you can see Hurricane Erin continuing to track off to the north and east away from the area. Cloud cover wrapping around that and over our area, and even a few light rain showers wrapping into the area from the ocean onto the land. And we continue to see cloudy to mostly cloudy skies today, anywhere from a ceiling about 1,000 to 1,500 feet for this afternoon. And taking a look at our current radar imagery, you can see we do have a few light rain showers around the area, seeing some drizzle as well, so that will be the case throughout much of the morning into the early afternoon hours. And taking a look at her model, you can see here those showers moving through this morning, and then her doesn't really show much in the way of activity this afternoon, but I do still expect a chance of a shower or some light drizzle across the region for this afternoon. Looks like wind should peak right around noontime today and then slowly decrease during the afternoon hours. Moving to the overnight hours, clear skies expected, cool start to the end of the work week with temperatures in the lower 60s to start off. So Friday looks like a beautiful day across the region, lower humidity values with temperatures near 80 degrees for a high. Looking at the European model here for the next few days, see Hurricane Erin moving away from the area. High pressure builds in for Friday and Saturday. Still going to see some large swells move in from Erin as it tracks off over the open waters of the Atlantic, but we'll continue to see the swells move towards our coastline and giving us high rip current risk as well as some high sea states across the region for Saturday. Moving into our Sunday, going to see a weak cold front start to approach the area as well as a weak area low pressure over the Carolinas. That's going to sandwich our area and giving us in general clear sky, dry conditions with partly to mostly cloudy skies across the area for our Sunday. Once we move into Monday, we'll see that cold front kind of wash out across the region, possibly giving us a brief shower thunderstorm Monday afternoon. And then on Tuesday, we'll see another area high pressure build in. We're going to be under a large upper level trough over the eastern United States for early to middle next week. And in general, we'll see dry conditions. Could see a few disturbances moving through, increasing cloud cover from time to time, as well as giving us a chance of a sprinkle or light rain shower. Right now, it looks like Monday is our best chance of rain early next week with that cold front, and possibly seeing another sprinkle move through on Tuesday with another upper level disturbance. But overall, it looks like fairly good weather, cooler conditions for next week in general. So looking at our risk chart for today, having those rain showers in the area this morning, going with an orange for our rainfall, a yellow this afternoon. Back those winds off for today with a peak wind of 29 knots, as we aren't seeing those winds transfer down this morning. Seeing a high today of 77, low tonight of 62. Going to continue to see those breezy conditions today, and looks like we should be seeing those winds pick back up, as I mentioned, later this morning in the early afternoon hours, and then decrease slowly throughout the afternoon and evening hours. Our 24-hour terminal forecast, we'll see in general ceilings around 1,000 feet this afternoon, with the possibility of a few light rain showers in the area. Overnight, we'll see clear skies in general, so looking like a good day for our Friday. Tides are running about 1 to 2 feet above normal currently. Looking at a Friday into Saturday, green charts across the board. Friday, mostly sunny and pleasant, high of 80. Friday night, Mostly clear, light winds, very slight chance of patchy fog, low 61 for Saturday. Mostly sunny, partly cloudy and pleasant, high 79 degrees. So next 7 days, looking like those very nice conditions for Friday and the weekend. Temperatures in the lower 80s to upper 70s. We'll see lower humidity values on Friday and Saturday. A bit more humid on Sunday with the return flow ahead of that cold front. And then Monday looks like we'll have some isolated showers and thunderstorms in the area, high of 85. Tuesday and Wednesday looks like another stretch of some nice weather. Mostly cloudy on Tuesday. Didn't go with any chances of precipitation here, but some of the models are showing a weak disturbance moving through, giving us a few sprinkles. But right now we'll keep it dry for the forecast, high of 79, and for Wednesday, high of 78, mostly sunny skies. And you see those overnight low temperatures in the lower 60s for middle of next week as well. So looking like some nice conditions across the region, lower humidity values and temperatures slightly below average in general for the next 7 days. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. I'm back tomorrow morning, 8:15 and 10 a.m.